brother Savage. I have created something that I call the Savage Kit, and this has been requested by savages like yourself. So what is this and why should I even bother? Well, within the next 45 seconds of your time, I'm going to explain exactly why you should be throwing your credit card, cash, or Bitcoin my way and invest in yourself. First and foremost, my name is Richard. I'm 42 years of age. This is what I do full fucking time. Thousands of men have already invested in my training programs and are well on the way to align with the Savage that already exists within them. The Savage Kit consists of 100-pound Savage sandbag and 5 high-volume training programs, totaling 220 high-volume training sessions designed for you to be able to work with a kettlebell, a mace or a sledge, and a Savage sandbag. All of these programs are designed for a man just like yourself, 35 and older, who feel the amount of responsibilities that we men have, and we simply can't spend 2 to 3 hours inside of a gym and doing back and by Tuesdays and chest and try Thursday. No, we need to be the fucking protector of our family unit, so we can't fucking leave them. We need to be able to work out right next to them. That is why I created the Savage Kit. Click the link below here and you will be able to invest and get instant access, and within 2 to 3 days we ship out your 100-pound Savage sandbag wherever you are located at. If you for whatever reason are not happy with the results that you are getting that I have provided for you and you want to blame somebody else but yourself, I take full responsibility and I will offer you a full refund. Let's fucking